Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class.
Good morning.
How are you today?
We are very good. I like the shoes.
Okay, thank you. So, how do you feel today?
So exciting.
Oh my God.
So sleepy. So hungry. Fasting. Oh, fasting. Yes.
Why you lazy?
It's Ramadan.
Oh.
12 p.m. Ramadan coming.
Okay, that's okay, that's okay.
Ramadan.
It's English. Okay. Before we start our lesson today, please the consider who to consider. Okay. Let's start to lead the prayer.
Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Pray never end.
Okay, class, before we go to our discussion, let me check your attendance first. Please raise your hand and say present when I'll call your name, okay?
Okay.
Okay, the first is Aisyah Safana.
Present please.
Okay. Lintang Alia.
Present please.
Intan Nuraini.
Present please.
Riza.
Riza is sick.
Oh, okay. Mas Dania.
Present please.
Tata Alvina.
Present please.
Malika Rizky Nova. Dedi Alia.
Present please.
Angela and the cutie is Nabila Satia.
Present.
Okay, so all students is already here. Very good. Give applause for you. Okay. Before we go into our discussion, I want to ask: have you ever had a very good service or a bad service from another? And how does it feel? So, who is want to share with me the experience that you have? Does anyone?
I want to share this.
Yeah.
So at that time, I was going shopping at one of the supermarket near my house. When I want to buy an item, I had difficulty finding it. There are matcha or chocolate. Then there was an employee who helped me find it. He helped me well and find it, so I could help earlier with an example of excellent service.
Okay, thank you, Mas Dania. Give applause for Mas Dania. Okay, does anyone here want to give me your experience?
I want this. Okay. At that time, I was accompanying my friend Halika to the health clinic. When we asked an officer there, but the officer replied to us with a rude tone and a sour facial expressions. So I think maybe that is an example of a bad service.
Okay, Debbie. Thank you, Debbie, for sharing your experience. Please give applause for Debbie. So, class, based on the experience that your friend has shared with us, surely you already know what the material that we will discuss today. So, what is the material that we will discuss today?
Excellent service.
That's right, we're gonna learn about excellent service. So we know that excellent service is very important to be in the service profession. So does anyone here know why excellent service is important? Can someone answer me?
Me.
Oh yes, Susafi.
Okay, so in my opinion, excellent service is very important because it plays a big role in creating customer satisfaction and loyalty. And also, when customers get quality service, they feel appreciated and tend to come back to you products or services offered, thus including the business opportunities to grow. In addition, excellent service help build a positive reputation for the company because satisfied customer often give positive review and recommend the business to others.
Okay, thank you, Sefi. That's a good answer. Please give applause to Sefi. Is there anyone else want to answer? No. Miss Malika?
I agree with Selfie's opinion. I would like to add an answer that I think excellent service is very important because it is the foundation of a strong relationship between a company and its customer.
Okay, that's a good answer to Malika. Thanks to you for answer. Give applause to Malika. So, well, we will discuss. We will start to discuss by discussion about the definition and understanding of the excellent service. So there is many understanding and definition of the excellent service that you can search in internet. So you can also search easily about the definition itself. But today we will discuss about two definition of the excellent service based on the two different expert opinion. So the first thing is based on Sweetie, who said the excellent service is the best excellent given to the customer, both internal or external customer, based on the service standard and procedure itself. This definition concept emphasizes that service must prioritize customer satisfaction above all else. And we're gonna move to the second, based on Tony Kim, who say that excellent service is ability to anticipate and customize and fulfill the customer expectations. So this shows how important to understand the needed in order to provide a satisfactory service. So from both of the understanding and definition of the excellent service, we can know that excellent service is a very important to be given to the customer when we serve them. So class, now I have two pictures that showing of the waiter who's serving the customer. So from these two pictures, which one do you think is the example of excellent service, and which one is the example of the bad service? Who want to answer?
I want to answer.
Okay, please, Acha.
Okay. I think the second picture is an example of excellent service because in the picture you can see the friendly employee when asking the customer for their order.
Okay. Do you agree with Acha?
Yes, we
I
agree.
Now, who want to tell me what the other picture? Who want to answer?
Me.
Oh, please go ahead, Tata.
I think the picture is an example of bad service because it can be seen in the picture that there is a customer who is complaining but the waiter ignores it and instead gives a sour facial expression.
Okay, do you agree with the Tata?
Agree, please agree.
Okay, please give applause
Yes.
for Tata and so from your friend answer are absolutely correct. Now I will explain the analysis of these two pictures. So the second picture, I'm sorry. So the first picture is the example of bad service. Because you can see there is a customer complain to the waiter in the cafe, but the waiter look like doesn't care and doesn't try to solve the customer problems. Next is the second picture is showing off the example of excellent service. Because from this picture show that who is serving the customer while in the restaurant. So in the picture, the customer look like very happy and comfortable with the service and provided. So let's appreciate it again to you, all of you who has get answered very good. Okay, next we will continue our discussion about the concept of excellence. Oh,
Yay! Great job! Great job!
Okay. Now we will discuss about the concept of excellent service. So the concept of excellent service is there is a six concept including the attitude, ability, attention, action, accountability, and operations. So the first is the attitude. Please Alia, help me to read this slide.
Okay, the attitude is a perfect or good attitude given by employees when serving customers, such as a friendly, polite, and enthusiastic attitude can create a good impression and make customer feel appreciated. So it is very important for an employee to be able to behave well and employ politically to customer. This also aims to provide a good service experience for customer.
Okay, thank you Alia. So next is the ability. Please Tata, help me to read this slide.
Okay. Ability is the ability of employees to provide good service, including knowledge of product and service, effective communication skills, and the ability to solve problems. So an employee also needs to have the ability to provide the best service, because not only good behavior but ability or knowledge is also very important in creating good service.
Okay, thank you Tata.
Yes, thank you.
The next is attention.
Me.
Or do you want to?
Yes, yes, yes.
Please.
Attention, please. No, no, no.
Yeah.
Attention is giving attention to details regarding customer needs, such as listening carefully or understanding and accepting customer complaints or requests. By giving good attention and according to portion, employees can find out what customers need and what will be done to be able to provide good service.
Okay, thank you Mas Dania. Kita foto Dania. The next is action. So please Malika, help me to read this slide.
Okay, action. Action is attitude of acting carefully and stressfully and responding to customer requests. So employees must be able to solve requests efficiently and provide the right solution. And that is also why employees must be able to move quickly in order to satisfy customer desires. Because if an employee is slow, it will hinder the service that will be provided to customers.
Okay, thank you Malika. Kita close for Malika. And the next is accountability. So please Debbie, help me to read this.
Okay, accountability. This accountability is an attitude of gratitude to customers. So employees need to show concern to ensure that customers are satisfied or can overcome any dissatisfaction that may arise. With this responsibility, employees will learn and understand how to provide good service to satisfy customers.
Okay, thank you Debbie. Please give a call for Debbie. And the last is operation. So please Anna, help me to read this.
Okay, Miss. Operation is also an important point because the operation of employees
But
It's okay, it's okay.
physically
and non-physically of your place. That is why it is very important for employees to maintain their so that
It's okay, it's okay. It's a very good job, Hannah. So, thank you for all of you who has helped me to read the meaning of each of the concept of excellent service. Give applause for all. Okay, class. After we discussed about the concept of excellent service, now we will have group discussion sessions. So please sit down in your group of 2 people to work study case about excellent service. Which one you can work in the workplace? Right?
excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah?
May I go to the bedroom?
Oh, sure.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
Careful in the bed.
What?
Careful in the bed. Asal thank you. Hold on the head. Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry. Okay, now we will start the discussion. So please, one of the members, please come to forward here. One members. One of the members of the group. The group is 2 people, right?
Yes.
The 1 people is
Okay.
Come back. Yes, I want to come to the front. Who else? Who else?
2, 3.
3.
4. No.
3
No.
3 group. Choose. So please read the instruction required from the worksheet only. Then try to analyze the study case and answer the question asked based on the study case given. So I will give you 10 minutes to discuss and complete the questions. Then I will ask you to come forward in the group to present the result of your discussions. Okay, Miss? So the 10 minutes is starting from now. groups. So please, the group 1, come forward and read the study case and the question that have you got, and explain the answer of the question based on your discussion. So please, group 1.
Me?
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
Okay, so please read the study case first. Oh, you can introduce yourself.
Okay,
Good morning.
good morning. Here I am Balvina and I'm Mas Dania. Will presentation about our opinion with the study case.
Okay,
This
case study, A&W Restaurant is a fast food restaurant located in the area of Mampang, Jakarta. The restaurant is known for its fast and friendly service, but one day it faced challenges and meeting customer expectations regarding service time. Although the restaurant has a good reputation, many customers report delays in receiving orders, especially during rush hours. This raised concern about the quality of service that can impact customer satisfaction and restaurant image.
So please the question 2.
Yeah.
What and after reading and understanding the case study about this is the question. The first one is what are the main problems that A&W restaurant is facing? In our opinion, based on information too from the case study, it's known that the main problem faced by A&W restaurant in Mampang, Jakarta is the delay in receiving orders, especially during peak hours. This led to dissatisfaction among customers even though restaurants are known for their fast and friendly service.
Okay. The second question: what is the cause of the delay in receiving orders at the restaurant? In our opinion, delays in receiving orders can occur due to several factors, such as the high volume of visitors during peak hours. The second, lack of staff to serve customer, and the last, problems in the kitchen process that hinder the first serving of food.
And last question, what steps can the management of the restaurant take to address this issue? According to the results of our discussion, restaurant management can take several steps to address this issue, such as the first one is to increase the number of staff during peak hours to increase the speed of service. The second one is conduct training for employees to be more efficient in handling orders. The third one, optimize the kitchen process to be faster in serving food. And the last one, using a digital ordering system to speed up the process of picking and processing orders. Please close the presentation. Okay, that's all from us and our opinion about the case study.
Okay, very good. Give applause for the group 1.
Thank you.
So next, please to group 2 to come forward. Group 2. Group 2.
Okay.
Next, the study base and also read the question and the answer.
Okay, Miss Anna, the question.
Yes. The study task is DJ High School Library is coming.
It's okay.
Okay, I'm sorry, please.
It's okay.
DJ High School Library is committed to providing excellent service to its users by providing convenient, fast, and responsive facilities. However, despite this effort, some students report that they often have difficulty getting help from library staff. The students complain that the office was often unfriendly and difficult to reach when they need help reading a particular book. This raises questions about the effectiveness of library service and how the interaction between staff and user can be improved. The question of this study guest first is under complaints that are often submit by students related to library service. Two, where is the attitude of library staff important in providing service to students? And three, what steps can be taken to improve service in this library? Next.
Okay, our case study to high school library. Number one, from the information in the case study, it is known that students often complain that library staff are less friendly and difficult to contact when they need help reading a particular book. This hinders their experience in using library facilities. Number two, according to our discussion, the attitude of librarian is very important because it can affect the user experience. Friendly and responsive staff can create a comfortable atmosphere for students, encouraging them to use the library for actively and increase their satisfaction with the service provided.
Okay, the third one is according to the results of our discussion after going through these problems. The following are some steps that can be taken to improve service in the library, including conduct training for library staff on communication skills and customer service. Increase the number of officers during peak hours so that students can help more easily. And also implement a complaint or feedback system so that students can submit their complaints directly. I think that's all for our answer on the case study 2 high school library. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you. Very good answer. Please give applause to group 2. Okay, and the last is the group 3. Please come forward. Okay. Who is the group 3? Oh, the pretty girls. Oh. Okay. Group 3. Pretty girl, right? You are from you too. So please introduce yourself first. Okay.
Okay, good morning, everyone.
Morning.
I am Sabi.
What's on sleigh?
Okay, today we're from group 3. We're gonna do a presentation about our case study here. Okay, that's weird.
professional medical personnel and an efficient registration system. However, in recent months, the clinic has received complaints from patients reporting long wait times and lack of good communication regarding the treatment process. The first question is, what are the main obstacles faced by Medistas Heart Clinic in providing excellent service? Based on the explanation of this case study, it is known that there are several problems that are obstacles in the problem at Medistas Heart Clinic, which are as follows. First, the long waiting time are caused by a lack of medical personnel during peak hours and day. Okay. During peak hours and our registration system that has not been fully integrated. Second is lack of staff training in effective communication causes the information to patient to not be conveyed properly. And the last is the full waiting room show that the capacity of the facility is not adequate for the ever increasing number of patients.
Okay, number 2. How can clinics improve the efficiency of wait times for patients? According to our discussion, here are some solutions that Clinic Medica may be able to apply in improving patient waiting times efficiency. For the first, the long waiting times are caused by a lack of medical personnel during peak hours and our registration system that has not been fully integrated. Lack of staff training in effective communication causes information to patients to not be conveyed properly. And last, the full waiting room show that the capacity of the facility is not adequate for the ever-increasing number of patients.
Okay, what step can be taken to improve communication between medical staff and PTs? According to our discussion, these are the steps that can be taken up to improve communication between medical staff and PTs. When the long waiting times are caused by a lack of medical personnel during peak hours and registration system that has not been fully integrated. 2. Lack of staff training in effective communication causes information to patients to not be conveyed properly. And 3. The full waiting room so that the capacity of the facility is not adequate for the ever increasing number of patients.
Okay, so that's all from our team. Now, so before we back to our seat, we have a yellow room.
Wow, big thing. Wow, big thing.
Okay. Based on the analysis and the answer for your discussions, we can know that you already understand about the implementation about the excellent service. So let's quickly analyze the cases. So the first cases is about the delay in service at the restaurant, right? Which have been discussed by the group 1. And then there is a case about the unprofessional attitude of the delivery staff, discussion by the group 2, right?
Right.
And then there is a case about the service in the health clinic
Right, Miss?
Well, based on what we have learned and discussed today, we know that the conclusion that we draw is excellent service, the concept of service that aims to provide the best experience to customer by meeting or by fulfilling their expectation to the speed, friendliness, and effectiveness. So, after we learned a lot of excellent service today, I will give you a homework. Are you happy?
No.
It's easy, guys. You can do it by group.
Okay, ini anak
I will give you a homework so you can do this test with your group. You can. So the text is you have to find and give me the real example of the implementation of excellent service. You can also do a little observation in the same place that provide the service, like a restaurant or supermarket around you. So make sure that you write this test in the paper and collected it as the next meeting. And you must do a presentation about the test in the next meeting too. So well, class, that's all for your assignment for today. Does anyone understand or who are still want to give me questions?
No.
No. Okay. So it's no question. I expect that you understand.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, class. For our learning next meeting, don't forget to learn about the element and the concept of the excellent service, because I will ask you the question about that material. Before we close the meeting, please stand as leader to lead the prayer.
Okay, before we finish our lesson today, let's pray together. Pray never end.
Okay, thank you for all your attention to learning and discussion session with me. Hopefully in the next meeting you still excited as today. I close. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.